Alright guys, welcome back to another investing video. Today I'm going to break down my whole portfolio and show off each one of my portfolio holdings. I haven't done a video in a while because I wanted to kind of see a difference in the videos. I don't want to just put out a video every week of my portfolio and showing off just like little small changes. I want to see a big difference every time I put out a video like this. So let me know if you want me to post more frequently. We sold off and bought a lot of different stocks since the last one, so this should be quite interesting. Quick overview: I'm down $58 today, up $256 for the week, up $561 for the month, $631 for the past 3 months, and $837 for the year. $814 all time. So my first holding is Tencent, which is a video game company / social media company that owns a lot of stuff over there in China. They own some of Epic Games, which makes Fortnite, some of Miniclip. They own WeChat. This is one of my favorite stocks that I own, even though I'm not up that much on it right now. I really believe in this company. I really believe in the stuff that they own. So I own 18 shares for an average cost of $66.38. I'm up 2.4%, so not that much, but again, there's a lot of issues with like trading with the US right now from China, but I think it will get better. Next up is Microsoft. Microsoft owns Xbox. They own a lot of Windows stuff. They're also trying to buy TikTok, or rumored to be wanting to buy TikTok. So I own 3 shares at an average cost of $189, and I'm up 19%. So again, I don't think Microsoft's going anywhere. Next up is AMD. I know I got a lot of hate for AMD in my last video, and I know that they're pretty overpriced right now, but again, it's one of my best performing stocks. I own 10 shares at an average cost of $68, and I'm up 28%. And I will probably continue to buy more of these shares because I just really believe in AMD. I believe that, with cloud technology and all this stuff from working from home, I think a lot of people are going to want to buy computers, and a lot of people need graphics cards. So, yeah. Next is LI Auto, which is a EV stock, electric vehicle stock, which I bought. It's a recent IPO. I bought just kind of to trade and flip it. So I bought 50 shares at $16.99, and I'm up 1% right now. But earlier in the month, I sold some shares off at about $20 because they just had a monster day. It went up like 30% in one day. And I thought it was going to go back down, and it did. But I'll probably end up selling a lot of these. Again, this isn't really a buy and hold stock for me. This is kind of like sell when it gets a little bit higher. But yeah, unless they get really popular like Tesla, but I doubt there's going to be another competitor that reaches Tesla level in the EV market. Next up is Sony. I only own 2 shares. I bought 2 at $65.50. I'm up 20%. And again, a video game company. They own other stuff like TVs, or they produce other stuff like TVs and stuff like that. But mostly excited about their PS5. I'm sure most people know about the PS5 and know someone that wants one. So yeah, I think that will do pretty well, especially with everyone realizing, some people that were kind of against video games realize how fun they are now after staying at home and have nothing else to do. Next up is McDonald's. I bought 2 shares for $185. I'm up 15%. Not much to say here. Everyone knows what McDonald's is. They're coming out with spicy chicken nuggets next month, if you didn't know. So I'll be really eager to try that, and I'll probably keep investing in this company because I don't think McDonald's is going to go anywhere. Next up is Realty Income, a monthly dividend stock, which I was having a hard time looking at my dividends earlier, but if I can get it to pull up, I'll show you the dividends I've been earning as well at the end of the video. I bought 2 shares at $49.75, and I'm up 25%. Next up is Gain, Gladstone Investment, another real estate investment trust. I bought a lot of these during the first month of me investing because they pay a monthly dividend. I want to say 7 cents per share. And I'm down 9% right now, but I'll probably keep investing if it goes down a little bit lower. Next up is Rolls-Royce, another company that I bought just because I kind of got excited when I first started investing. And right now I'm down 23%. Luckily, I only bought 10 shares, which is a lot. I actually have a limit sell placed for $5, so if it ever goes above $5, I will sell that automatically. Not too worried about $30, but I'd rather have my money somewhere else where I could be making more money if possible, but we'll see. Next up is Carnival, the first stock I ever purchased. I'm up 49%. I got 12 shares at $11.50. And yeah, I'm probably not going to be purchasing anymore. I'm just going to see where this goes. But the cruise ship industry took a pretty hard hit before COVID, then dropped down pretty ridiculously low. So hopefully when they start doing cruises again, the stock will take off even more. If not, no big deal, you know. That's why you stay diversified. Next up is Gladstone Commercial, my last real estate investment trust. Oh, here's a dividend. I'm about to get paid $1.13 at the end of the month. I got 9 shares at 58 or 15.78, and I'm up 21% right now. Next up is Fun, or Cedar Fair. It's an amusement park thing based in Ohio. And I'm up 1.8%. I bought 5 shares at $29.90. Again, I bought this because it was much higher pre-COVID, and I thought it had potential to go up. So I probably won't be investing too much more into this, but we'll see if it reaches pre-COVID levels. Next up is Olive Garden. I still might be investing more into this because I really like Olive Garden. Well, it's Darden Restaurants. They also own like Longhorn and stuff like that. They were trading massively. They took a massive hit from this whole coronavirus thing. And I bought 4 shares at $76, and I'm up 14% right now. Again, this is probably one of my favorite places to eat is the restaurants that they own in their chain. So next up is TJ Maxx. I'm sure a lot of women like to go here. A lot of men, their wife or girlfriends likes to go here. I know my wife loves to go here. I remember when Florida shut down all their stores and stuff for, I want to say, about 2-3 weeks. There was literally a line, like 30 people long outside TJ Maxx for people waiting to get in. That's how bad people wanted to shop here again. So I bought 2 shares at $48, and I'm up 14%. And I'll probably keep investing into that if it drops down a little bit more. Next up is Coca-Cola. I bought 4 shares at $44.88. I'm up 10%. Pretty much a safe stock. Not really worried about it going down too much. I don't think Coke will ever go anywhere. So, yeah. Next up is Ally Financial. This is actually the bank that financed all my auto loans. Then I did some more research, and I saw that they have a really good online banking system and online savings account. So I think that this might be one of the better banking stocks in the near future. And I bought 10 shares, not too much, for $14.99, and I'm up $83 right now. Next up is Pembina, oil pipeline in Canada. I bought this when the oil stocks were down a little bit more. I'm up 8%. They also pay a monthly dividend. Next up is Marathon Petroleum, another oil stock that was down pretty significantly earlier in the year. Unfortunately, I didn't get it at the bottom. Got another dividend coming up from them. I bought 4 shares at $30.73, and I'm up 17%. So not too bad. Next up is SPHD, which I'm sure if you watch videos like this, most of the people have some of this. If they have a dividend portfolio, this is a monthly dividend ETF. They own a lot of dividend stocks, and then they pay you a monthly dividend every month. I don't know how much it is. I want to say it's, 15 cents per share almost. So, probably be picking up some more of this soon, just because the passive income is pretty nice. Next up is ARK, another ETF, which I started investing in. They own Tesla. They hold Roku, a bunch of big growth stocks in there. And I bought it just because some of the growth stocks seem a little bit outrageous right now to buy individually. So I bought this kind of to not put all my eggs in one basket with that. And I'm up 2.7%, not too much. But again, even if it goes up, let's say 10% 6 months from now, that would still be amazing. Last regular stock that I own in this portfolio is Amazon. I only invested $150 into it, and I got a 9% return already, which is pretty crazy. I only own 4% of a stock, and I'm able to do this by signing up for fractional shares. If you don't have them already, I would say go ahead and sign up for them because it's great. It's nice to just invest into big companies like this. Amazon is basically where I'm throwing all my extra money at, is Amazon, because I don't see this company going anywhere either. These are my 2 cryptocurrencies that I own. I own 4% of a Bitcoin, an average cost of $11,900. I'm down 1.84%, but I really think that crypto is going to take off if inflation keeps rising in the U.S., because we've printed a lot of money this year, and a lot of people used to buy gold, and I think Bitcoin might be the next generation of gold, so to speak. And then lastly, I own Ethereum, which is another cryptocurrency. I'm up 3% on it. I own 1 and 30%, which isn't too bad. I'll probably be picking up more of both of these if they hit lower levels. So I'm going to try to hit Bitcoin on anything under 10K and probably Ethereum at anything under 350. Otherwise, I'm just going to hold off on that. Let's see if I can look at my dividends now. Before I couldn't. Here we go. So let's go to dividends. On the September 10th, I'm getting $1.53 from Microsoft, $2.32 from Marathon, 58 cents per share, 51 cents per share from Microsoft. My SPHD, this is every month, getting 75 cents. Good, 12 cents per share, a total of $1.13, and 7 cents per share from Gladstone Investments. So it's not much, but every month I'm getting a certain amount of money. Earlier this month, I got 67 cents from Pembina Pipeline for 13 cents per share. I also got 19 cents per share from Ally Financial and 23 cents per share from Realty Income. So not too bad. These are my rewards right here. You get rewards from either being referred or referring a friend. So I got 1 share of General Electric for $7.03, 1 share of Plug Power for $4.39, and then 1 share of WPX, some energy company, I'm not quite sure, which I sold all these, but hey, I mean, it was a free $20. So I'll put a code down in the description or a link down if you want to try to get free stock, although I'm pretty sure most people who have watched this video have already signed up for Robinhood. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what stocks that I should be looking at, what stocks I should be buying. Let me know what stocks that I'm an idiot and I need to sell and I shouldn't be investing in, and this and that. And let me know how I can do better in my videos. I'm always trying to make better videos. And I know there's a lot of competition in the Robinhood portfolio video niche. But really, I just want to kind of have an open discussion on my channel about what I'm doing and just share with people how my portfolio is doing. So again, thanks for watching. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, comment constructive criticism, good compliments, bad, whatever you want to do. Even talk trash, I don't care. And subscribe. Thank you.